How to clear history on Safari on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. It allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the bookmark icon. Here, you can view all your bookmarks. In the Reading List section, you can view your reading list items. Reading List lets you collect web pages and links to read later. Now, go to the History section on the right. You can scroll down to view all your search history over here. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Clear. Here, choose the time frame of the history you want to clear. For example, last hour. After that, tap on Clear History at the bottom. You have now successfully cleared the last hour's browsing history. You can repeat this to clear other browsing history from here as well. Then, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily clear history on Safari on iPhone.